Welcome to our new video. In this video we will learn how to set connection between frontend and backend. In this video we will start to learning frontend development and frontend design. So let's get started in index.php file. We know before that index.php file is used for frontend development. So make a HTML5 format here, set a language, set a title, set a header, set a description. No description, I would like to set her site tagline. The site title in here, the F1, the site tagline in here is the best web solution, and the site language in here is English. If we save the changes, and if we save the changes also here, now if we visit our site, we will see that the site name, the site tagline, the site header, everyone is getting from this index.php file but not getting from the WordPress dashboard. So we need a function which is make connected between the front end and the back end. The front end content will get by the back end introduction or back end content. So we have to use PHP functions for a language. We have to use language attributes. This function will help you to change this language of your site from your dashboard. And then we will make Dynamic Charset. For doing this, we have to need to set another function. Let this and set another function. PHP bloginfo charset. Now this charset will getting from our dashboard. Now we wanting our title is get from our dashboard, so we have to use bloginfo title. When you used PHP bloginfo function, then if we reload that, see the title has changed and it is getting from our dashboard. So the front end and the back end get connected by PHP functions. We have to learn this PHP function. I will provide this PHP functions document with you. Now if you want to know how to change tagline, then you have to know that bloginfo description function. So if we set here bloginfo description, and then if we reload our front end, see our tagline is visible here. We can also set our website title here by bloginfo title. In many places we need to set a WordPress or website's title, then we will use this thing or this function. See, this is getting from WordPress dashboard. So we are able or we can connect the front end and the back end. If we need any to set our link, website link in anywhere, we can set a function php site URL. If you set this, now, oh sorry, we have to echo. See, this is our website's address and this is showing into h5 files by dashboard. If you want to upload an image, like we are wanting upload this image, so go to our theme directory, upload this image. Oh, this is already exist here, so we can show it. Screenshot.png. Now reload our website and nothing is appeared here because this function isn't finding the existing folder. So if we want to find our existing folder, we need to use a php function is called get template directory URI. If we use this function, now we should echo it, and if we reload our website now, the images is appeared here. So if we want to upload an image, we have to use get template directory URI function and echo it. So next, look, our front end has no top bar, which is exist in every theme. So we can say that our front end is still not completed connected with dashboard. So for make a connection with dashboard, we have to use two different function. One is in header tag, that is wp head. If you use wp head, and if you use wp body, wp footer, and now you reload that, you will see the top bar is exists here, appeared here, and now our website is fully connected with our backend or WordPress dashboard. We have learned many basic functions for frontend. uh, this is enough for this video. In next video we will learn more basic functions of development of frontend. Thank you.